It's Metal Box. Produced by 83 Mechanical One-Member Company, Limited, Vietnam.
The standard factory system, which cover over 178 hectares including technological lines, advanced and modern equipment, ensures quality according to international standards. It is operated by experienced engineers and human resources. Produces precision and high-quality products. 83 Mechanical has an ongoing desire to provide for its new paths of integration into the world economy. We've been working on it all the time, to be a factory capable of producing high-precise mechanical goods. The factor has helped to make our brand a staple of modern mechanical systems and facilities. Additionally, 83 Mechanical Company possesses a professional management system, which meets the ISO standard. 83 Mechanical Company's products became increasingly asserting internal power and providing satisfaction to customers. We are extremely proud to be a prestigious brand in the precision engineering and sheet metal industry, serving not only domestic industrial works but also exports to many countries with advanced industries around the world, and gaining credibility from partners and customers. This has been evidenced by a series of consecutive honors over the years, including the Top 10 Asia Pacific Outstanding Brand, Vietnam Gold Star Award 2021, and many other awards. Active quality control is tight from input material to output, according to the modern production process. Each product of 83 Mechanical Company is taken care of from design to production, assembly, and packaging, ensuring accuracy to the smallest detail. In addition, we have applied automatic metal stamping lines for our production process to optimize production productivity. The machining process is done correctly and carefully, from shaping and assembly to auto-stamping, to ensure that the product is always good and lasts, and to ensure the material's mechanical properties. Our company's Metal Box is a powerful product, having been available in many countries such as the United States, Singapore, and the Middle East for over a decade. Insist on customer confidence in the 83 Mechanical Company brands. To maximize the durability of the product, and to meet international standards of quality, we applied the surface treatment lines and powder coating systems to produce a smooth, shiny metal surface. A highly aesthetically bonded paint layer and modern paint technology ensures an accurate thickness and corrosion resistance of all weather conditions. Every product before the customer goes through a rigorous, quality management process with modern machines and measuring devices, achieving high accuracy, such as coordinate measuring 3D, spectro analysis, caliper, hardness tester, and adding more. The 83 Mechanical One-Member Company, Limited is always actively grasping for new trends. Experienced and highly professional engineering teams have constantly improved technology and product quality to provide customers with the best options. 83 Mechanical Company brands products are not only popular with domestic customers, but also successfully entered many choosy markets, such as the United States, Singapore, the Middle East, and so on. To adapt flexibly to the integrated economy, the sales team is consistently actively updating market trends, the global economic situation, and the integration rules, as well as taking advantage of technological conveniences, ready to connect closer with international partners, to listen, build, develop together. With the trust of partners and customers, 83 Mechanical Company's products have been present in many countries such as Europe, America, and the Middle East, etc. Our products meet international quality standards and have been certified reached UN standards by the TUV-SD laboratory in Singapore. ISO standard. At the time, 83 Mechanical Company gradually affirmed its position in the global market, and reached higher quality standards, marking the Vietnamese brand mark on the world map, in the field of the mechanical industry. With the orientation of sustainable development, and 83 Mechanical Company aims to become a market leader in Vietnam, for precision mechanics, and sheet metal fabrication, we continuously actively invest in modern machinery, equipment, and high-quality personnel to improve production capacity, and product quality. In addition, we actively prevent improving the management system according to ISO standards to advance productivity and efficiency in production and business activities. Based on its capacity and experience, 83 Mechanical Company believes in meeting high-quality standards with bulk orders, and always complying with progress commitments. By the desire to reach out, and the long-term strategic vision of the company's board of directors, we have been making constant efforts to upgrade the growing and modern enterprise, creating breakthroughs for the country's mechanical industry, developing many international standards products, and meeting the most demanding markets. 83 Mechanical Company ready, deeper integration, greater development. Customers request. 83 Mechanical respond.